Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Landmark. Landmark means object easily seen from distance. For example, the spire was once a landmark for ships sailing up the river. The spire was once a landmark for ships sailing up the river. Synonyms: marker, mark, indicator.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. He looked around, recognizing the familiar landmarks and geography of Palmer Inn. Now, repeat after me. He looked around, recognizing the familiar landmarks and geography of Palmer Inn. The second exemplar. Don't just look for landmarks and terrain features, take their measure, too. Now, repeat after me. Don't just look for landmarks and terrain features, take their measure, too. The third exemplar. The clock was always there and was a terrific landmark for the town. Now, repeat after me. The clock was always there and was a terrific landmark for the town.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The following sentence contains all 26 letters of the alphabet. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence is often used to test typewriters or keyboards.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.